Short answer is yes. Eventually, everything goes up, according to Newton, right? Okay, so today we're looking at average order value in depth. We're going to look at what the hell it is, how to increase it, some apps to increase it, some laughs along the way. Hey, it's going to be a good video, so stay tuned. But first, the snow! I'm wearing 4 layers here. I just went to the grocery store. I was wearing 7 layers. It's -5 degrees Celsius. And a week ago when I filmed this video, I was in a shirt and shorts. Crazy. Anyway, that's just the weather. That's just planet Earth. But low-key, I really wish I was in shorts and a t-shirt. Take me back! Anyway, what is average order value? Average order value, otherwise shortened to AOV, is the mean amount of how much each customer spends at your store per transaction. You can calculate your average order value by dividing your total revenue by your total number of orders, which will give you the AOV. Imagine if your store had a total revenue of, it's over 9,000, split between 100 orders. That would mean that you had an average order value of $90. 9,000 divided by 100 equals 90. So on average, a customer is likely to spend $90 every time they visit your store. I mean, that would be pretty good if you're doing that. Shopify customer reports calculate this for you though anyway, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. You may have also heard of these key metrics: average basket value and customer lifetime value. So average basket value is similar to AOV, except it's talking about how many items each customer is likely to put in their cart per transaction. This is just going to help you understand how many items are typically sold per transaction. And customer lifetime value is going to show you how much approximately the customer is worth through the whole relationship with you and your store. If this is decreasing, you might want to focus on customer retention or remarketing. So in order to increase your average order value, you're going to need to learn how to encourage your customers to spend more per transaction or buy more expensive items, or do both at the same time. First off in this realm are product recommendations. You know, everyone needs a helping hand. Often we as customers have our sights set on just one product in your store, and we won't take the time to browse around your shop and find other items. This is going to lead to lower profits. Oh no. So what to do? Try adding product recommendations on your product pages or on your checkout pages. By showcasing these popular products or products that other customers have bought in the past, then you're damn likely to increase your AOV. Quick, to the demo store. On Debutify, we're using a whole host of add-ons to increase conversions and average order value. We have social proof pop-ups, coupons, and frequently bought together. In addition to using these add-ons, you can try using language to help persuade your customers. If you're selling clothes or a parallel, try using phrases like complete the look, or more simply, people also bought, when recommending products to your customers. Also consider the notion of solving a problem. When a customer comes to your store, they're already in the problem-solving mindset. So remember, customers don't just have one problem, they probably have many. So use this mindset to sell them many solutions. You can do this through upselling, cross-selling, or downselling. So imagine you're in a brick and mortar store, as they say, and the clerk is trying to sell you something. The clerks in the store will guide you through and talk to you about what you're likely to buy. What you don't suspect is that from their perspective, old stock and stock that isn't selling is going to be pushed to you. Say you go into a bed store and you need new sheets. Sure, the clerk's going to help you find new sheets, no dramas. But are they going to try and sell you a bedside table? Are they going to sell you a lamp? If you're not careful, you're going to walk out of there with a new fridge. In dropshipping, you don't have the problem of inventory turnover, but you can use this tactic to corral the customer into spending a little bit more. Examples of upselling are a warranty for that new camera that you just bought, or maybe a meal combo at Carl's Jr., or a better variant of car from a car dealership. Then we have cross-selling. For example, when I make music videos for bands, I offer digital marketing as a complimentary service. Or inside of your dropshipping store, you could use an add-on underneath your add to cart or your product pages. People who also bought hella good baseball cap also bought excellent water bottle. With one click, you can get people spending $14 more on a water bottle that they just never intended on buying. Because you know, a hat is sunny and a water bottle is going to keep you cool and quench your thirst. Why not? So this is cross-selling, where you offer a complementary product or service in addition to the product that the customer was likely to buy. Whereas upselling is where you sell a different variant, a more expensive variant of the original product that they were likely to buy. So let's say you're buying a new bicycle because you want to cycle through all that snow. The clerk says, hey, this one's like $4 grand. It's real nice, real nice. You should get it. You should buy this. And you're like, I don't have $4 grand. And they're like, well, how about this $400 one? That is downselling. In our theme at Debutify, we have an add-on where if the customer tries to leave the store, when they move their cursor up to the edges of the window, we offer a coupon. If you like, you can go try it for yourself or try these hacks in your own store. Best of luck. Okay, let's move on. Have you ever been into a shop and some pimply idiot like me says, hey, you know, if you buy 2 of these, you're eligible for a 20% discount. And you're like, nah. Or you're like, oh yeah? You can use this idea to incentivize people not just to get, but to set a monetary cap at which they are rewarded. That's positive reinforcement. This reward could be something like free shipping on all orders over $70, even if you've already factored in free shipping into all of your products. In our theme, we actually preload this at the top of the page and you can customize it if you want to try it for yourself. You can also use the cart goal add-on where you incentivize customers to spend just a little bit more to reach that cart goal and they'll get free shipping. Or we have this quantity upsell which rewards customers for buying 2 or more of the same product, or even just 2 products in general. And you can use this in conjunction with a coupon for frequently bought together, but we'll get to that later. You guys know Onnit, right? Surely, Joe Rogan's supplement company, which I've been partial to a bit myself. Don't know if you noticed, but I'm jacked. One thing that Onnit offers is a customer loyalty program, where if you subscribe, you will save when you're buying supplements. Genius. This is another way of increasing your average order value. People will save money, but after that initial purchase, they will keep coming back and they will start giving you money. And your AOV will take a spike. This works particularly well with consumables like razors, pads, or supplements, and it's a retention strategy, which fosters a positive relationship between you and the customer. You can use this space to send them nice emails, thank them for their service, and keep them coming back. So I read on the Shopify blog from smile.io that customer retention programs like this will lead to a 13% at least increase in average order value in reward program members over non-reward program members. Also in this vein, Stitch Labs found that customers who are loyal are more likely to spend 120% more than customers who are not. And the second highest reason that customers come back is because of discounts, according to the 2017 Colloquy Loyalty Census. So you're standing in Carl's Jr., McDonald's, Burger King, what have you. You shuffle up to the counter. The glorious smell of canola oil fills your lungs. And you ask for that sweet veggie burger. And the front of house person says, hey, would you like a meal combo? Fries and a drink of your choice? Yeah, you're gonna smash those fries. Yeah, you're gonna smash that
tasty beverage to wash this down.
Why are you gonna do this? Because it's a complimentary package. It's made easy for you. Guess what? You can do this in dropshipping too. Think about the alternative scenario. You go all the way to the fast food place. Are you just gonna get the burger? No. You're gonna get a whole meal because you're big, you wanna feed. Not everybody is as skinny as me, When I go, I'm just like, yeah, just the burger. I got a little stomach. Also, take this idea to a food court or a sit-in restaurant. If people have come into your restaurant or your dropshipping store, they feel more inclined to spend money inside your store than if they weren't. Anyway, if you want customers to increase average order value in your store, then make a bundle like this that costs less than if each individual item was priced individually. It's just a sleight of hand, really.
Remember, switching to your pistol is always faster than reloading.
By bundling these products, you change the perceived value of the customer's purchase. For example, if you were going to get a microphone, a tripod, and a camera, individually it would cost you $1,400, but as a bundle, only $1,000. Make sense? You're creating a scenario where it's crazy not to buy. I'm into this because you're actually providing more value. The customer gets everything they need in one go, and your average order value increases, making it a more efficient shopping experience.
A win-win scenario.
Or you could allude to this idea by having customers build their own bundles, or build your own post-workout recovery kit with these products. Now, there's two apps that are going to help you here. The first is Bold Brain. It doesn't affect load times, it's just there to collect data on your store. So, download it from the Shopify App Store. It goes through all of your orders and purchases and correlates the most frequently bought together items and makes an insights widget for you. From all the purchases in your store, Bold Brain can come and say, "Hey Connor, did you know that these two items, they're being bought together, man? You should use it for some sort of deal or coupon." Shopify Analytics won't do this for you. It's really powerful and important for you to know that, for example, 20% of people bought this pencil with this pack of mints. If you're going to do post-purchase upsells with an app like Reconvert, this information is priceless because you already know what that post-purchase upsell would be. They bought the pencil and you just hit them with an email or an SMS like, "Yo, here are the mints."
Those are marbles.
The second app that is great for this is aptly called Frequently Bought Together. This app is completely automated, or you can use the manual settings. It's essentially just going to push this idea of frequently bought together on all of your product pages. Okay, so this is Frequently Bought Together. It's got a really great quick navigation tool. You can use the Recommended Explorer to see a product and its recommendations, but what I like to do is use the manual bundles. If people buy Rararian, I can advertise another pair of shoes and black jeans. I'm not selling watches on this site, but I'd probably recommend something like that. Or, even here, they're illustrating it quite clearly for you. Build your discounts. And then you can even change how it looks and where you put the widget. So what I would recommend is installing Bold Brain first and then finding out exactly what's going on and then recommending those items on your product pages inside of Frequently Bought Together. I probably wouldn't recommend using global options, just try and use this Bold Brain workaround. And I would probably start with just 2 products. Don't go recommending 5 other products, but you could build to something like that in the future once you have a bit of traction. Give people a discount when they've bought the Frequently Bought Together bundle and make sure it's clear. You want people to know that the discount has been applied so they go to the cart and use it. And be sure to enable the tracking for your reporting. And that is pretty much it. One last thing. In my video production company, I'm far more likely to work with a band that I've made a music video for or a small business that wants another Facebook testimonial video than a stranger. Take this idea to your dropshipping store. Focus on people who've already bought for you. These customers have expressed a real, tangible, monetary interest in your products compared to strangers who've never even been exposed to you and your store. How would you do this? Remarketing. So you would do this through remarketing. Now this tutorial is getting a bit long, so why don't you check out my SMS bump and other high converting apps video here. And in the future, I'll be making more in-depth remarketing videos to help us out. I hope that you learned something in this video. Thanks for taking the time to watch it. It would really help our channel by hitting the like button because then the YouTube algorithms will be able to boost our channel just a little bit more. And it's a simple way that you can show your thanks for this content. Anyway, have a great day. Good luck out there with the dropshipping. See ya.